All right, here's the reveal. It's been curing for, I don't know, about 24 hours. I mean, it's pretty solid concrete. I don't know that I have to keep it covered anymore. So this actually will be the underside of the table. Once it completely cures and dries, I'm actually going to sand it all around so it'll be nice and smooth. And then we'll remove the molds and it will be a huge concrete tabletop. I still have to build the base. I'm going to build the base out of wood 4x4s, similar to these here that my work table is built out of. And I'm going to sand those real nice and put a nice stain on it. And that'll be the base of the table. Ideally, the other side of this is a lot smoother because the top of the table is actually under here. And this will be the bottom part. So once we get it all sanded and everything, but okay, not horrible.